The first AW149 multi-role helicopter manufactured entirely in Poland has successfully completed its maiden flight. The Polish Ministry of Defense announced that the helicopter, produced at PZL-Świdnik, underwent its inaugural test flight on April 14, 2025, as part of the Acceptance Test Procedure, ATP. The ATP ensures that the aircraft conforms to the design configuration agreed upon under Poland's contract with Leonardo Helicopters, the Italian parent company of PZL-Świdnik. Further flight testing will continue according to established procedures and schedules, the Ministry of Defense said. This achievement follows the July 2022 agreement between Poland and Leonardo for the supply of 32 AW149 helicopters to the Polish Armed Forces. Initially, the first helicopter was assembled at Leonardo's facility in Vergiate, Italy, to meet urgent requirements stemming from the region's complex geopolitical environment. During this phase, Polish technicians from PZL-Świdnik were embedded in the production process, laying the groundwork for full domestic manufacturing. The implementation of the AW149 contract for the Polish military is an example of excellent collaboration between Italian and Polish teams, effective supply chain management, and successful cooperation with the end user, Gian Piero Cottilla, managing director of Leonardo Helicopters, said in a statement. These combined efforts have ensured that the Polish military could begin training on this helicopter type according to schedule. The AW149, a modern multi-role military helicopter, is equipped with advanced systems and is designed for a variety of missions, including troop transport, medical evacuation, and search and rescue. The production contract included technology transfer and the establishment of local manufacturing, maintenance, and support infrastructure within Poland.